Well, in recent years, trillions have been spent on cancer research and therapies. Royal Raymond Rife was born in Nebraska in 1888. He was a good student and wanted to be a doctor. Only 16 years old, he was admitted to Johns Hopkins University, one of the best medical institutions in the world. Rife became fascinated by bacteriology and the microscopic world, which led him to optics. To study bacteria effectively, he needed to see them clearly. He took a job at Zeiss Works in New York and trained under senior optics engineers. If you know anything about microscopes, telescopes, or cameras, or anything with lenses, you've heard of Zeiss. And Rife wasn't a bookworm researcher. He was hands-on. He built his own equipment, including one of the most powerful microscopes ever made, the universal microscope. In the 1920s, standard microscopes could only magnify objects up to 2,000 times. Rife's could reach 60,000 times magnification. He could see viruses and bacteria that nobody had ever seen before. Rife discovered what he called Bacillus X, or the BX virus. He believed cancer wasn't a disease, it was a virus, the BX virus. He wanted to destroy these microorganisms without harming surrounding tissue. Then he made another amazing discovery. He found that exposing microorganisms to specific frequencies caused them to explode.
It's immediately paralyzed and it starts disintegrating from within.
All objects have a resonant frequency. When exposed to an external force matching this frequency, an object absorbs energy and vibrates more intensely. Parts of the human body have their own frequencies. This is useful in an MRI, which uses frequencies to produce diagnostic images. But it can also be dangerous. If you resonate an object for too long or with too much energy, it can be damaged or destroyed. This is why singers can break a glass by singing the right note.
That's how you do it.
So Rife built the Rife frequency generator, or Rife machine, which emitted specific frequencies to target and destroy specific microorganisms. He called the frequency the mortal oscillatory rate. He found the frequencies to destroy tuberculosis, typhoid, pneumonia, anthrax, and more, all without harming healthy tissue.
Now you can see the disintegration of the bacteria going into pieces. This is killing bacteria without harm to the human cell, without drugs.
He injected lab rats with cancer cells, creating golf ball-sized tumors, then used his machine to match the cancer's mortal oscillatory rate. It worked. The lab rats were completely cancer-free. Rife's work attracted interest from other doctors. Dr. Milbank Johnson arranged a study on 16 cancer patients using Rife's machine. In 3 months, 14 of the 16 patients were completely cured. Dr. Royal Raymond Rife discovered the cure for cancer, and it ruined him.
Visit us at www.thepathtowoneness.com. Join the membership program for all the latest teachings from the Golden Ones. Visit us on Facebook and LinkedIn at thepathtowoneness.com.